Big changes are here for DIRECTV's streaming service in 2025. And yes, more changes. The old DIRECTV Stream brand? Gone. Its website now redirects straight to directv.com, and for the first time in years, there are no contracts or hidden fees. Let's walk through what's new. First, DIRECTV now has two types of streaming plans: signature packages and genre packs. Signature packages are full cable-style bundles with sports, news, entertainment, and local stations. Prices start around $85 a month, and the popular Choice plan still includes regional sports networks. Just watch for the RSN fee in the fine print. Every plan now includes unlimited cloud DVR, select 4K content, and unlimited streams at home. And yes, you can cancel anytime. If you want cheaper, smaller bundles, that's where the genre packs come in. These include My Sports, My Entertainment, and My News. They cut some channels for lower prices and even add free streaming perks like Disney+, Hulu, and Max with My Entertainment. You can watch on your own device or lease DIRECTV's Gemini Airbox for $10 a month. No contract there either. The Gemini remote adds a traditional number pad and channel guide, something many cord cutters still miss. The best part? DIRECTV finally simplified its brand. One website, one app, and no confusing contracts. If you found this helpful, hit like, comment if you're trying DIRECTV again, and subscribe for more streaming updates